Hi, I'm Martin here at Kendall Ford in sunny and tropical West Eugene. I'm here today to show you how to use the foot-operated hands-free liftgate on the new Ford SUVs. Occasionally, my customers might tell me that they are having trouble getting the feature to operate appropriately for them, and I found that it's usually one of three different things. First, they may not have the key fob within 3 feet of the sensor inside the door that makes the system operate. Second, the feature may be turned off in the settings menu, which you can find inside the vehicle. Scroll to the Settings tab in the main menu, select Advanced Settings, then select Vehicle Settings, and scroll to the Power Liftgate feature. Make sure that you enable that feature by pressing the OK button. Lastly, you'll need to know where the sensor is so you'll know where to swipe your foot to have the system operate efficiently. And there you have it, some easy solutions to how to operate the hands-free foot-activated liftgate. For more exclusive content, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can visit us at kendallford.com. Kendall, let's start something great.